Right. Yeah. So recruiting and logistics always is more work than people anticipate it to be. I think when we're creating project plans or research plan, we're like, oh yeah, we'll schedule interviews, and then that turns into like 15 phone calls and and sending lots of emails and posts and stuff. So I think just allowing a lot of time for that in the project plan, having one or two people dedicated to be able to do that, and just making sure that you have resources at hand. Like we had to have iPads that we could conduct our kind of field interviews on, and vehicles at our disposal to get around the neighborhoods, and just means to reach the public. So whether that be our social media accounts or talking to people at events, that sort of thing.